this on my... Well, I have the Eric Clapton version on my iPod.
See, I told you because I've got an Eric Clapton channel, they like to play J.J. Cale.
Which Dead Music Family Connection is discovery of Eric Clapton.
Well, they're thought of as being similar artists, but
This isn't nearly as good.
what's that?
You want to play guitar?
You know, I can't focus when you get that close. What are you doing?